we want to show you our book buddy pillow that we have done with the little French bulldog. It's got the little coordinate print from Home is Where the Dog Is Too, the small dog print. And we think this is just an adorable little addition to your child's room. It's a fun book. Or
Put
you
your
can
favorite little book in there.
Yeah, you can make the cloth book that we have.
Yep.
Or you can make your own.
Yep.
And so we'll have the patterns so you can order whatever applique you want to put on that. This one I'm actually going to put on, I think, a little T-Rex because it's from our dinosaur collection. Yes, yes.
Yeah, so if you don't have the French Bulldog, then you could either get the Frenchy edition and have that French Bulldog applique pattern, and then as well, you know, buy a different one, or you can get the make your own, make it yours, and get whatever dog you want.
Absolutely.
Or, you know, we have our 2x2 group that just came out not too long ago. You could get one of these appliques to put on there. Like we said, we have dinosaurs, we have dragons. The dragons might be a little bit large to go on there.
They might.
Maybe some of the dragons, but
we just like to show you different ways that you can use these appliques. So if you get an applique pattern, you can put it on so many different things, you know, and we've got lots of little simple project sheets that you can do those with as well.
So that's the book buddy pattern.
Yeah.